Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got more freebies for you. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's freebie alerts. Today will be no different. All right, you all, before we get started with this review, I need to let you know that we had some giveaways that we needed to do. We needed to announce some names of some winners, and we got more watch face codes, and they're being bagged up because something's going on with Samsung and these watch face codes. Not only that, the freebies that I did of the top 5 free watch faces that normally come on Sunday night or even Monday morning disappeared today for whatever reason. So I don't know what's going on with Samsung. All we can do is just wait. So all the freebies that I had to give away are going to have to be put on hold until the issue is resolved. Hopefully you guys can understand. And with that, let's go ahead and continue with this review. Now the watch face we got in front of us is another freebie, free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. This one is called Pukka 006, a very nice looking watch face. Now in the AOD mode, as you can see, it looks exactly the same as if you had the watch face on, just going to be dimmed down in a dark theme mode. Now once the watch face is on, I do like the design of this watch face so far as the background is concerned. You get a few dials. That's going to be your step status info, battery info down at the bottom, and also over here your 24-hour time. You get nice stylish hands, a second hand, name of the watch face up top. Now this is pretty much just a traditional watch face, pretty much an everyday watch face, a work week watch face, people. And again, remember, it is free for the taking. So considering what we're getting and it's not interactive, it is worth the download. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that Samsung get this issue resolved so I can give away these free watch face codes, because I got tons, people, tons of watch faces to give away. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.